Good afternoon to everyone. This is Ashika from the Department of Foods and Nutrition. Now we go to learn about the food preservation topic. First we will see what is food preservation. So food preservation it's nothing but retaining food over a period of time without being contaminated by pathogenic organisms or chemicals and without losing its color, texture, flavor and nutritious values. So it means food preservation and will be avoiding the food contamination and food spoilage. It is also improving or retaining the colors, texture, flavor and etc. and longer time of shelf life. Next, why food preservation? Seasonal availability of food, different type of food at different location. Because some fruits and vegetables not available in the some season and different location. So it will be preserved. Preservative foods available in the many season and different location. So food preservation can be defined as to process, handling, treating food in such a way as to stop or greatly slow down the spoilage and preventing the foodborne illness. Next, we will see food preservation techniques. So food preservation techniques also divided into many types. So we will see one by one. First one is preservatives added. Second one is packaging. Third one is canning. Fourth one is fermentation. Fifth one is radiation. Sixth one is dehydration. Seventh one is freeze drying. And eighth one is freezing. So we will see one by one. So first one is food preservatives. Food preservative it's a substance or chemicals that is added into the food product. So it means preservative for product packaging products. Example crackers, snacks, cereals, ready to eat meals and etc. Next we will see food preservation, food packaging. So the leading role of packaging is to keep the food product in top condition and keep it consumed safely. Next one is fermentation. So fermentation is conversion of carbohydrate to alcohol or organic acid using microorganisms under the anaerobic condition. Example is bacteria or yeast. So carbon dioxide, alcohol, organic acid. So these are the fermented end product. Next, food irradiation. So food irradiation it's a process that used radiation to control or prevent the pest. Next one is food dehydration. So food dehydration is a process of reducing moisture of food to low levels for maintaining the shelf life. Next one is freeze drying. So freeze drying it is low temperature process method, dehydration method. It is very useful for us. Next one is freezing. Freezing is also similar to the freeze drying because low level temperature involving in this process. Next one is basic science. So basic science behind the food preservation. Drying, example dry fish, salting, example pickle, fermentation, acidification, example idli batter and etc. Next one is food preservation technique method. So two type of methods involving in the food preservation technique. First one is physical method, second one is chemical method. So chemical method also divided into 6 types. First one is drying, second one is chilling, third one is freezing, fourth one is canning, fifth one is smoking, sixth one is pasteurization. Next, chemical method. Chemical method also divided into 3 types. First one is salting, second one is pickling, third one is sugaring. So first we will see physical method. So physical method it's nothing but physical treatment involving in the food item. It's called physical method. Second one is chemical method. So chemical method it means different chemical preservatives are used like sugar, salt, benzoic acid, lactic acid, sulfuric dioxide, carbon dioxide and etc. Next one is food drying. So food drying it is very oldest method and also manual method. So food drying it's a method of food preservation in which food is dried. Drying inhibit the growth of bacteria, yeast and mold through the removal of water. Next one is chill food. So chill food it's food that is stored at refrigeration temperature with or below 0 degree to minus 5 degree Celsius. Next one is freezing. So already we know freezing. So low temperature method, it's called freezing. Next one is canning. So canning is also the very oldest method. So canning is a method of food preservation in which food is processed and sealed in an airtight container. So these are the factors affecting the canning. So first one is fat content. Next, kind of microorganisms and number of microorganisms, water content and etc. Next one is smoking. So smoking, it's very rare method. So but it is useful for us. So smoking, it's a process of drying food. It smokes for a long period of time. Next one is pasteurization. So pasteurization, it means liquid product boiling the below 100 degrees Celsius. It's called pasteurization. So pasteurization it's a process in which packed or non-packed food are treated with mild heat using less than 100 degrees Celsius. Next one is principle of food preservation. So the main purpose of food preservation is controlling the microorganisms and removal of water content. So first one is preservation or delay of microbial decomposition, prevention of delay the self decomposition of food, and third one is prevent the damage caused by insect, animal and mechanical and etc. Next one is advantages of food preservation. So the main advantages is decrease the food wastage. So next one is increase the storage period and ensure the availability of out of season, and then availability of perishable food materials in the several seasons. Thank you.